Dorset Global Solutions Acoustic drop-down seals. The Applique 37. There are many features and benefits. The Applique 37 is a retrofit drop-down seal and offers up to 37 decibels reduction. The seal is designed and tested to work with a practical 3 to 4 mm gap and is of European manufacture. It's also pre-fitted with fixing screws for a simple, cost-effective installation, and is tested to be fitted without threshold plates, either straight down to a hard floor surface or straight down to carpet. Each seal comes complete with a satin anodized aluminium cover strip, which is easily removed. The end plunger is adjustable, and as you'll see, the seal drops on the hinge side before the lock side. The mechanism can be removed to replace the seal, a very handy feature. The seal can be cut down by up to 150 mm. To fit the Applique 37, firstly measure the door and then trim the seal to length using a hacksaw. Offer the seal up to the door and fix with the fixing screws provided. As you can see, as the door shuts, the seal is activated from the hinge side and self-levels to provide a good acoustic seal.